Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You can get a job in the Middle East simply by trying or by magic, through others, or by a fluke. Remember that competition is everywhere. Some here, some there, but bam! Loy Macedo is the best.
Sometimes you get a question that people ask you like, Loy, what is the most important thing we have to do, or what is the most important piece of advice, or what is the biggest regret, or what is the biggest opportunity one should grab? These superlative questions. So one such question that I received was, Loy, what is the one piece of advice, one, that you would give anyone to anyone during COVID, this pandemic? What is the one piece of advice? Okay, now I don't want to give health related advice, so I thought I'll give the one piece of advice related to career, making money, profession. So but just one, not more than that. Okay, so you can give me your opinion in the comment section below, because maybe you have a better point, or maybe you have a different point of view. I always like to listen to it. Okay, so now what I want you to do is check your phone. Go through your phone right now, just your smartphone. If you're watching this on your smartphone, just mute it and close it. Once you open it, the screen lock, I want you to look at the apps. Now when you see the apps, you'll see all the apps, you'll notice one thing. There is a notification there. Like for example, messages, you have got 10, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, how many messages, how many notifications. Okay, fine. But then if you have apps like Amazon, you have apps like here in Thailand it's Shopee or eBay, you'll notice one thing, that these guys, they will always send you a notification, they'll always send you an email, they'll always send you a promotion. Okay, now that's one. Second is, go through Facebook, check Facebook. You'll notice many people trying to put their update, put a share, put a news link, and then as you scroll, you'll see ads. How I made this, or 7-figure income in 7 days. Vishen Lakhiani, oh, can you increase your luck? Subscribe to this course, teach you luck. Or he comes out with, oh, sugar is so bad, they make you addicted. Let me give you a solution. Subscribe to my channel or whatever. Then you get other people, oh, you don't need cold call or email. How I automated my system. I get King Kong Subri. This guy's ads, oh, I'm going to give you a $10,000 discount. Or how I made billions of dollars. This secret, I'm going to give it to you via a book. Pay for shipping. All these guys will be there. Then there'll be internet marketers. How you can survive and make money during, how you can invest in cryptocurrency. Okay, so there's a bombardment of ads. Okay, now have you noticed what is similar between all of them? Did you get what I'm trying to say? Now what they are trying to do, what everyone's trying to do, is grab your attention. Now grab your attention is not a secret. Okay, if grab your attention, I would say wear a pink suit and stand in the middle of the road. People will notice you. Like with my tattoos, people notice. But then what exactly is that one thing? That one thing is, you need to ensure your target market remembers you. Okay, let me explain. Let's say you're an engineer. You're working in this company as an engineer. Day and night, you show your face in the office. Day and night, your colleagues know you. But have you thought about this? The people who play office politics, including your boss or senior upper, or the people who make money, they don't just get noticed by their colleagues. They always get noticed by the decision makers, the people who matter. They make sure that the decision maker notices them. So when there's a promotion or when there is something big, who do they remember? Now let's say, for example, me. If you notice, I put a video, 3 videos, 4 videos every day, correct? Okay. The topic selection, the content, the discussion, everything is curated for a certain market segment. Okay. And there is a theme. I'll do either personal branding, real life situations, or self-improvement and learning. I don't go beyond these 3. Okay, maybe controversy and news, yes. That is another one. But beyond this, I don't speak on gossip of having affairs, or she has his son or that son, or this scammer, that scammer. There are other channels that do that and they make shitloads of views, but that's not my cup of tea. So I stick with my theme and I constantly give value. So now my question to you is, if for example you're an engineer in your company, does the decision maker notice you every day? Directly or indirectly? Does he know you exist? Can he think, if there's a promotion, can he think of you with a split second, or does he think of someone else? In fact, not just your company. Do your competitors know you exist? And if your competitors know, does the industry know? Does the city you live in know? Does the market know? See, there are 6 billion people out there. These guys who advertise on Facebook and all, they want to make sure the whole world knows them. And they try to cheat or sucker somebody into their course or bullshit, like Dan Locke and Thai Lopez and Neil Patel and Vishen Lakhiani and Pen June and all these guys, internet marketers. They'll try to trap you, make you spend money, $97, $67, and they'll give you recycled free internet information. Now, they are successful at that, don't have any problem. And they always get a sucker, a new idiot who falls for it. Now, what are you doing to be noticed every single day? What are you doing? And how are you doing it? Like, for example, on my smartphone, I get this Panda delivery. I've ordered from them 2-3 times. Now, the funny thing is, they keep a track of what I've ordered. Pizza, sometimes tea or something. And they always not only mention about some special offer, they remind me that they exist. They remind me, if you order today, you'll get 100 baht off. If you order 400 baht, you'll get 50% off. Oh, this is exclusive for us. Why don't you order with us? It's not that I order from them every day, but they're constantly on my face, constantly. And they offer something of value. They're not spamming me, because if they spam me, I'd block them. They're giving me value. So my question to you is, what is that of value which you're giving your target market, the people who matter, that when they read your message or when they look at you, they are so glad, they are so happy that they want to do business with you, or they want, they'll be like, this guy always gives me value. See, on my YouTube channel, out of 45,000, maybe 100, 200, 800, whatever will view my videos. Okay. Now, yes, you can say that the value they are giving me is the views and likes, fine. But I give them something of value first. They don't give me first. Nobody is paying me money to put these videos out. I'm generating. You might say, Lloyd, nobody asked you to, fine. But I want to do it. And because I do it, I constantly get inquiries. I constantly get new contacts. I constantly get new followers. And I constantly get business and revenue. So if there was one piece of advice I could give you today, one piece, it would be this. what is it that you're doing that offers value to your target market, by which they will not delete your invite, but they'll be more than happy to anticipate what you'll give them next. This happens with Steam games, GOG games, their website for games. Happens with the Amazon, happens with the Alibaba, happens with Shopee. And yes, Facebook and Instagram and Google and all, they also keep driving these ads. So think about what I said, reflect on what I said, and ask yourself, how can you make this happen? Because if you can find the answer to this, okay, I can assure you, seriously, you'll always be having a customer, you'll always be having business, you'll always be having an inquiry, you'll always be having an opportunity that somebody wants to deal with you. Think about what I've said, and in the comment section below, let me know. But remember, don't spam people. People don't appreciate that. Don't spam them. I hope this added some value to you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Me signing off. Ciao.